morning. So, as you've seen in the last video, Matt got a dough. Well, he cut up quite a bit of it for me to package and put in the freezer. But I have quite a bit of it to grind. And because we didn't grind it last night so I could do a video, my Christmas present was a grinder attachment for my 60-year-old Kitchenaid mixer. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to get all that set up. I'll go ahead and show you right now a clip of it actually working on it, but I didn't grind it. It is working. Look. The first thing I want you to note is that this mixer is quite a bit taller than the actual big LEM meat grinder that we have, but it does work. It's just quite a bit taller, so it might be a little bit awkward. I might have to devise something else as my counters are full height counters. But I'm pretty excited because this takes one large appliance off of my shelf, because this box is quite a bit smaller than the LEM grinder, and this right here is a workhorse, and it will probably last me forever, I hope. Overall, I think it does really good. It makes it a little more crumbly than the LEM grinder does, but really I'm impressed with it. So overall, $40 grinder with my 60-year-old Kitchenaid mixer. I think it works out great. And like I said, it's just another way of limiting things that we have that we don't use often. This is an attachment, so it's easier to store. I mean, it's this big. And whenever I clean it, put it up, I can put it back in the box. It takes up a lot less space than the LEM grinder does. That my parents actually own it. My mom does. I just borrow it indefinitely. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and shoot us a comment. Tell us what you think. We'll see you soon. God bless. Say something.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. Say bye.